y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be doing, can you guess? Guess? Anyway, let me stop playing. I'm going to be doing another hair tutorial for you guys. I stay doing wash and goes. Anyway, I'm doing this wash and go mixed with the rubber band method in my little bun up here. I actually used 2 new products in this video. I'll tell you guys how I feel about those products at the end of the video, but if you all are interested in the style, stay tuned. But before we get into the video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and put in your post notification bells so y'all are notified every time I do an upload. And yeah, let's just get right into the video. Alright y'all, so my hair is freshly washed, conditioned, deep conditioned, and this is my curl pattern actually without any products in it. What I'm about to do is a wash and go with a little design right here in the middle, but I came on because I'm going to be using 2 new products to do today's wash and go. I stay doing wash and goes, but anyway, I'll be using 2 products to be doing today's wash and go, and they're new to me. And the first one is this Curl Waves and Natural Hair Luster's S Curl No Drip Curl Activating Moisturizer, Anti-Frizz Formula, Paraben Free, Mineral Oil Free. It's 8 fluoride ounces, and I think I paid $4 for this. And this is used as a moisturizer of some sort. So this is what I'm going to be spraying in my hair first, as kind of like a leave-in conditioner of some sort. So I'm gonna use this, and then the only other product I'm going to be using is this. So this is the Aunt-Jackies Don't Shrink Flaxseed-Elongating-Curling Gel. I picked this up. It says it's enriched with flaxseed and wheat protein. So I picked this up at my local Walmart, and I'm gonna try this gel for the first time and let you guys know how I feel about it. It's been out for a while. I just never had my hands on it or never thought to use it, but we're about to get into this video. Stay tuned, y'all, because we're gonna get this wash and go. Okay, I know y'all looking at me like, why the hell she got on this glove? I got my nails done, and this pointed fingernail almost popped, so I don't want it to snag my hair. So I put on gloves to work with my hair. So the only thing I'm going to be doing is spraying this throughout the hair. Oh my God, y'all. I don't know about y'all. This stuff smells amazing. It feels so good. Thick Curl Activating Cream. And it's activating those curls. Do y'all see that? Do y'all see that? I know y'all do. Look at that. It smells amazing. This gel is freaking bomb. Like freaking bomb. Look at that. Do y'all see that? I don't even think I'm going to put a design in the middle. Like, oh my God. Look at that. I can't wait to see how this is going to dry. So I have 1/4 of the section done, of the head done. And I will say that the smell is amazing. The slip is great. I do feel like it's stretching the curls as it says it should. But the test, the proven results is going to be once it dries. And I cannot wait to see what the results are going to be. But so far, I am loving the way it's looking so far, and the way that it's feeling. Like, I'm loving it. All right, y'all, this is how the hair is looking. Like, I'm obsessed. I kind of got an idea of how this is gonna dry, but you never know, I could be wrong. Anyway, I'm down to this last and final section before I begin to style right here. And basically all I did was add a little bit more of this to each section before I applied the gel that I'm going in with my wax with comb, because I have a confession to make. I did not detangle my hair before I washed it today. I didn't. But as you all can tell, it's not that tangled. I only lost a little hair. This is all I lost. So I'm doing good, doing good. Anyway, so I'm gonna apply that gel. What I noticed is that when I applied the gel to the ends and worked my way up, it clumped the hair together perfectly. Y'all see how that it clumped together like that? Perfect, perfect. Now, like I did on the other side, I'm gonna take a little bit of that gel and then I'm going to smooth those edges down a little bit in the front. And then take that comb and go like that. Just so we ain't have no rough edges going on, okay? Okay. Now it's gonna curl back up, but it laid it down a little bit. Okay, y'all. So I'm gonna give y'all a 360 on how that gel is looking. Okay. It feels kind of heavy, but we're gonna see. I think I'm gonna do the rubber band method. Take a little gel here, here, Get my bristle brush. I'm gonna take a white rubber band. Just like that. I'm gonna squeeze that. Okay, so now that looks like that. We're gonna take all of that, okay? Just making it real simple. Alright y'all, so this is how the hair is looking. We're gonna wait for this to dry. We're gonna wait for this to dry and see the finished results. So I'll see you guys on tomorrow. Guys, so this is how the hair is looking. I would say my hair is at least 80% dry. It's not 100% dry. I've actually went to work and I have came home today and my hair is still wet. I don't know if I was heavy-handed with the product, but my hair takes forever to dry. I was going to diffuse it, but I didn't want to manipulate the curls, so I can give you guys a full honest review on how the actual gel and the spray actually work together. But I am loving it because, to be very, very, very honest, the length of my hair right now, this is length that I would get on maybe third day hair, because I normally pineapple the curls at night and it actually stretches to this length. So when the gel said elongating, it is elongating, because the length that I'm getting right now would not be. I wouldn't get this length until it was like third or fourth day hair. This bottle, I will repurchase this. It says curl activated moisturizer. This actually really moisturize my hair. I actually use this as a leave-in and then I apply the gel. So that's the only two products I have in my hair. I'm loving the definition. I'm loving the hold. I'm loving how lightweight it is. These two products worked amazing together. Amazing. I'll leave a link for them in the description bar down below. If you're interested in them, go check them out. I believe this is like $7 for this one, and this one's like $4. Like this one here is 15 ounces of product, and this one here is 8 ounces of product. I picked them up from my local Walmart. I give them a 5 out of 5 stars because the combination together worked perfectly. Anyway, if you all enjoyed today's video, hit that like button, please share, please comment, please subscribe, and put on your post notification bell so you all are notified every time I do an upload. And until my next video, I'll see you all later. Bye.